This job for DevOps lead is at Nearmap. Nearmap provides a virtual model of the real world at scale and detail that hasn't been done in before. This job role is in Sydney, Australia, and is of hybrid nature. As a principal DevOps engineer or DevOps lead, you'll be responsible for helping to drive the team and organization's DevOps maturity via technical leadership, influencing and educating on DevOps best practices. DevOps, this role within the DevOps team will require strong communication skills and you will be responsible in owning the technology components. Their DevOps stack is quite clear: Kubernetes, infrastructure as code, GitLab, Linux, and containers. So if you have experience working in a DevOps role as a senior principal or technical lead, you should be fine. Technical leadership is a must for this role. If you have any experience with software build tools and automation tools, that is always handy. You should have experience with modern site reliability engineering practices in a cloud native environment. You should have a passion for internal tooling, CI/CD, and compliance. Plus, again, you should have a inkling for team-centric leadership and willingness to help others succeed. So, if you believe that that is something um, you can do and like, then go to Nearmap's website and apply directly from there. Thank you very much.